Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Buzzy Cohen, dubbed Mr. Personality by Alex Trebek, is guest hosting Jeopardy! From May 17 to 28. Cohen, a former champion of the quiz show, is the 8th person to fill in as host after Alex Trebek's 2020 death from pancreatic cancer. Past hosts have included Ken Jennings, Aaron Rodgers and Anderson Cooper.
Take our lead.
Anderson Cooper, a CNN host, will be the next Jeopardy! Host from April 19 to 30. American journalist Bill Whitaker will take over from May 3 to 14. Former Jeopardy! Contestant Buzzy Cohen, who won 9 games in 2016 and the 2017 Tournament of Champions, will return to the set to host the game show from May 17 to 28.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Its 2019 Greatest of All Time tournament averaged 15 million viewers, about the same as the audience for the National Basketball Association Finals that year. For now, Ken Jennings, the former Jeopardy! Champion who was the first guest host after Trebek's death, is the betting favorite for the permanent role.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.